go.
Don't touch it.
Just the right speed. Just the right speed. No, and now watch this. It's gonna come over to me. Every time it makes one, I'm gonna give it more gas. No,
Oh.
no, no.
That's a good amount of gas.
I wanted to do it.
That's a good amount of gas, Noah, there.
I wanted to do it. That's a good amount. I wanted to. That's a good amount of gas. Oh, I wanted to do it. It's a good amount of gas.
Okay.
It's gonna follow us back.
So bright.
I love the lights. I want to do it. I want to do it.
Okay, Daddy will show you how in a minute, okay?
I can show you how. Easy. Oh, sorry.